Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pudding using your rice cooker. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your rice cooker's inner pot is sparkling clean. Then, lightly grease the inside of the pot with a little butter or cooking spray. This small step ensures your pudding won't stick, making for easy removal later. Now, let's prepare our pudding mixture. In a separate bowl, whisk together your 2 large eggs and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and creamy. Next, slowly pour in the 2 cups of whole milk, stirring continuously to combine everything smoothly. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a good stir to ensure all ingredients are perfectly blended, creating a silky smooth batter. With your mixture ready, carefully pour it into the greased inner pot of your rice cooker. Close the lid securely. Now, select the steam or porridge function on your rice cooker. The cooking time will be approximately 30 to 40 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight, gentle wobble. This indicates a perfectly cooked, creamy pudding. Once cooked, carefully remove the inner pot from your rice cooker. Let the pudding cool down completely to room temperature on a wire rack. This step is crucial for its texture. After it's cooled, cover the pot and place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Chilling allows the pudding to firm up beautifully. Serve your wonderful creation plain, or add a dollop of whipped cream and fresh berries for an extra special treat.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.